sign back on the highway said historic arch bridge viewpoint. See what this is about. Man, look at that sheer rock wall, right? Needed a break anyway. I'm tired of driving. To the right. Okay. Must be another place to get off in the other direction. Uh-oh, one-lane bridge. Is this it? Hey, this is it. Yeah, I think this may be it. Let's go down and look at the arch viewpoint. I'm parked in the sun again. Some crap here. There ain't no way to not be in the sun. Sign back on the Interstate 84 said historic arch bridge viewpoint. So it's not. I'm tired of driving. I always like to find those miradors, scenic overlooks. Oh man. Northwestern Oregon is a boring place to drive through. However, I'm entering an area that's actually got forest and greenery and whatever. The rest of it was just rolling hills, rolling mountains. It really got to be old. There's a sign here. Ooh, that sun is hot. It's about 100 around here. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. It said that was a one-lane bridge. Okay. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I stopped and took a picture of the sign. It says a one-lane bridge. That's funny because it's a bridge to nowhere. Maybe at one time it went someplace. But that sign right there says dead end. Maybe they abandoned the road or something and the beautiful bridge is still here. You can hear the traffic. See any wildlife up there? I just thought about that story a couple of days ago about that woman outside of Helena, Montana, got drug out of her tent in the middle of the night by a bear. I'm starting to look around now going, any bears here? And I got nothing but this phone holder to beat somebody off. Not somebody, some bear. I see something charging up there. You're going to see a fat man. Well, you'll hear a fat man running. Okay. This has been fun. Good little break. It was getting tiring. Bye-bye.